Building Your Dream Portfolio, a beginner guide to global investing. Hi everyone, I am Nafarsha Betty Roslan, and today we are diving into the exciting world of global investing. We explore how to strategically invest $1 million across different countries and different asset classes. Buckle up, because we are about to build a diversified portfolio that rocks. Okay, so first, why we need to diversify? We don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine $1 million. Now imagine losing it all because you invested in just one company or one country. Yikes! The diversification is the key to managing risk. It's like having a fruit salad. Instead of just apple, you get a variety of flavor and nutrient. If one fruit goes bad, you still got the others to enjoy. Okay, next we go to the first step, which is the top-down approach from countries to industry. Let's break it down step by step. We'll start with country economies. Then we choose the asset classes within these countries, and finally we pick a specific industry to invest in. So first, I choose the United States, which is the land of the opportunity. The United States boasts the world's biggest economy, making it a stable and attractive investment destination. The dollar is strong, and the US is a major player in the international trade. First, we will invest in the US equities. Equities or stock are a popular choice. You become part of the owner of the companies like McDonald's or Johnson & Johnson. Stock can be risky, but they also have the potential for high return. Either it was dividend or the price appreciation. We allocate 40% of our million to the US dollar equities. Next, we will move into their industry, which is that contribute heavily to the US GDP. Manufacturing is huge, so we will put 25% of our equity investment there. Healthcare and social service are another crucial sector, getting 50% of our equity pie. This strategy balances the risk since the two industries are not related to each other. Next, we go to the different asset classes, which is the real estate. The US real estate market is another attractive option as the second contribution to GDP. Properties offer rental income and a potential appreciation in value. Let's allocate 20% of our million to real estate for long-term growth and stable return. So the second country, which is China, the rising dragon. China is the world's second largest economy, and its currency, the yuan, is weaker than RM. This makes it an interesting place and cheaper to invest. We are going green with the Chinese bond. China is the leader in issuing green bond, which supports sustainable and environmental projects. This aligns with the growing trend of ESG investing, where we consider the environmental, social, and governance factors. When bonds generally offer a steady income and are considered relatively safe, we dedicate 20% of our portfolio to Chinese green bond for stability and positive impact. Next, we move deeper in the industry, which is that we choose the industrial industry and the wholesale or retail sector. Another crucial contributor to their GDP. We allocate 10% of each of this industry through the bond. Second asset classes that we're going to invest, which is the gold. China is the world's top gold producer. Physical gold is a low-risk investment that provides return through the price appreciation. Let's put 10% of our million into gold for diversification and safety nets. And lastly, we'll go with the derivative, which is a high risk and high reward. Maybe. Derivative can be complex and risky, but they can also be used for hedging, which is the minimizing risk, and arbitrage, which is the maximizing profit. We'll trade carefully here, allocating only 10% to commodity derivative in Chinese plywood and tea, which is the two of the top export. Okay, so in my conclusion, building right for the future. Remember, this is just a starting point. The whole world is the best of investment option out there. By carefully researching, strategically allocating, and maybe seeking for the professional guidance, you can build a globally diversified portfolio that helps you achieve your financial goals. Now, go for it and conquer the world of investing. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.